Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Sia Forex channel. The last time I told you this is a new channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel so that you get more videos we share on this channel. We share free indicators, we share free strategies, and we share free robots for you to trade the forex market, all right, to make you profitable on the forex market. All right, now this night we're gonna be talking about a very powerful strategy with just two indicators. These two indicators, they are so powerful. Like, when I tell you these indicators are so powerful, I mean it, they are so powerful. All right, yeah, before we jump into MT5, so that I will show you, I'll quickly give you the strategy and the indicators. I need you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now I'm just going to give you some few seconds to do that right now. Now please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you motivate me to keep dropping new strategies, to keep sharing new indicators and new EA trading robots. All right, so subscribe to this channel right now. Then you can join my Telegram channel. On my Telegram channel, I will be uploading free signals, and I'll be uploading free indicators for you to use. The indicators I've backtested really well, that at least can still give you profits. So I'm going to be sharing, I will share them on my Telegram channel. So kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel right now, and also join my Telegram channel so that you get updates immediately. We drop updates. Thank you. So today we're going to be talking about two special indicators. The first one is a support and resistance indicator. It gives you a place where your support and your resistance will be. All right, and the second one is one powerful indicators, which I call super trend indicator. This indicator is one of the best indicator I've been using. Like, in all my charts, you will always find this indicator. Like, is my number one indicator. What does this indicator do? Let's log into our MT5 now. So there is it. What does this indicator do? This indicator shows you the trend, and you know the rules of forex. All right, you know the rules. Never go against your trend. All right, always follow your trend. So this is just a very simple way to, this indicator allow you to easily follow your trend. All right, it shows you when your trend is uptrend and when your trend is downtrend. All right, the name of this indicator is called PZ Super Trend Indicator. You can download it on MT5, and you can still check my channel. You can DM me. I can send you the file if you need it. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna drag this indicator into our chart. Then normally I use this one, I use 2, and the second one I use 2, so that it will not disturb the chart of, it will not disturb the screen. Like, the line will not be so obvious on the screen. All right, so let's go into it. Then I'll click OK. So once I click OK, it will always show like this. All right, let me zoom it. 1, 2. Okay, 2 is okay. 2 is okay. Yeah, if you see, this indicator is a very powerful indicator. One thing I love about this indicator is that it doesn't repaint. Yes, it doesn't repaint. Like, you can even trade, if you know what you're doing, you can even trade with this indicator. You can even trade with the signal like this one. Now this indicator shows you buy signal from here. Like, it's not generally a signal, but at least if you can know how to use it, if you can use it with 1 or 2 more indicators, like, seriously, you're gonna make a lot of profit with these indicators. We know that this thing is on downtrend already. All right, it's on downtrend, and once you see something like this, if you sell from here, if you pick a sell trade from here, then you put your stop loss somewhere here, and you can just have a free TP. Like, you can take your TP anytime you like, or you consider the stop loss. If your stop loss is here, maybe your stop loss is 10% of your account, then like you can make your TP like 20% of your account. So like it will double your risk ratio. You understand me? So that is it. This PZ super trend indicator. This indicator is one of the best indicator I've ever used in MT5, on MT5 rather. So guys, if you get this indicator, is very good for you, all right, to understand the trend, to understand the trend. So the second one I'm going to be using is we call it support and resistance screener. Now you drag it to the screen. You don't need to do any settings, just click OK. All right, so when you drag it to the screen and you click OK, this is how it will display. Yeah, this is how it will display. All right, this is how it will display here. This is it. Here we have our resistance, and here we have our support. This is a support line and this is a resistance line. All right, it draws the line little by little, like this one. You can still change the settings so that the line will be bigger, but I love it like this so that I don't like something disturbing my chart. All right, so this is, so how do you use these indicators? This video will be a very quick one, like I don't want to take your time in this video. How do you trade this indicator? Now the best way, you're only looking for two things in this with these indicators. The first thing you're looking for the, if you want to buy, you're looking for a support line from your support and resistance screener. And the next thing you need to do is to confirm your buying signal. You need to check your super trend indicator. What is the super trend indicator saying? Like now, let me zoom the screen out so that you understand better. Now this is what I mean. Now, like now, this screener, the support and resistance screener, it shows that the market has reached a support line here. All right, it has actually reached a support line here. So once it reaches a support line here, then you don't enter your trade from there. No, you don't enter your trade from there. You need to wait for the super trend indicator to also show you a buy signal. All right, you need to wait for your super trend indicator to show you a buy signal. So once your super trend indicator show you, change this red line means downtrend and this blue line means uptrend. All right, so once your super trend indicator shows you a buy signal, then you can enter your trade. From there. So where will you put your stop loss? Your stop loss will always be below this support line, like here, somewhere here. All right, below the support line, because sometimes you have a drawback or you can just give it more space. So where will your TP be? Your TP will be the next. Your TP can be, you can just create your TP yourself. Like maybe you can just say, okay, you want to make it like 3% of your account. All right, like 3% of your account or 30% of your account, depends on what you want to do, depends on the type of stop loss you're using. Once you see your stop loss, maybe your stop loss is maybe your stop loss is $5. All right, then make sure your TP will be $10 or $15. All right, once you pick $10 or $15 from your profits, you can just remove it. You can just leave the market for that trade, then you look for another better opportunity. All right, if we should backtest this now, let's just do a little backtest on these indicators so that you see how it works. Now here this line stop here, it touches this resistance here, so it started coming down. Once it touches, do not buy from there, because sometimes this indicator repaints, like this support and resistance, it repaints. It will still show, it will still move. Once if it breaks this resistance, it will repaint. All right, so for you to be perfectly for you to enter the trade perfectly, you need to wait for your super trend indicator. This super trend indicator doesn't repaint. Once it gives you the signal, that is final. All right, now we have a little sell here, but we can't take it because our resistance is not there, and so we are not sure of the trade here. Even here we can't pick trade. Here we can't pick trade. The only place we can pick trade, once we see this signal This is the first one. So once we see that our the chart, the candlestick has hit the support or resistance, the next thing we need to do is to watch our super trend indicator. Are you getting me, guys? So once it touches this place, then we wait for it to, because once it touches this place, the super trend indicator is still showing a buy signal. So we need to wait for it until it changes the signal to sell signal. So once the super trend indicator change the trend to sell signal, then what you just do, you enter your trade from here. All right, if you enter your trade from here, let me see. If you enter your trade from, okay, you enter your trade from here, so where do you put your stop loss? You put your stop loss here. All right, you put your stop loss to somewhere here. Yes, you put your stop loss to somewhere here. Where do you put your profits? Your profits, you determine your profits. All right, now let's see what your stop loss gives you. Our stop loss is giving us how many pips here? Our stop loss is giving us okay, just need to calculate. Our stop loss is giving us 117 pips here. So with that, now you can just multiply it by 2 so that you use it for your take profit also. So your take profit should be around your take profit should also be around here. Your take profit should be around here. So believe me, guys, if you put your take profit around somewhere here, believe me, guys, once the trade start going, it will, by now it will hit your take profit. Once it hits your take profit, you stay out of the market. All right, and you wait for the market to show you another you wait for the market to touch the support line. And meanwhile, you can still leave the market, or you just move your stop loss. You move your stop loss as the market is going down. You move your stop loss to trail the market, so that you follow the market the way it's going, so that once the market is going back, you just need to close your trade, so that at least if you're using a trailing stop loss, by now if your trade reach here before you stop the trade, then you make a lot of profit from this trade from here. Picking your trade from here and closing from here, you make a lot of profits. And believe me, this is a day trading. This is not just a 1 minute trade. My chart is on 15 minutes. All right, this strategy works with at least minimum of 15 minutes chart. All right, you can use it on 5 minutes because I'm using boom and crash. So 15 minutes is the best, which I use by myself. So let's look at another signal here. So this is another one. We have another one here. We wait. Let's see how it works here. It touches the support line here. Then we wait for it to change, for super trend to change the signal. Once super trend changes the signal, then we place our buy. From here. It goes, it stops here. You know how much profit you guys, you are in a very big profit if you pick this trade. All right, you pick this trade from here and you stop here. Now your stop loss will be under this line. All right, let's see, maybe we can still check another one. Let's see if we can still check another trade like this one too. This is another trade. This is another example. The market has reached a resistance line here. It started coming down. You enter your trade from here because the super trend indicator has changed. You enter your trade from here, then you put your stop loss around here, then the market starts coming down. The market will come down till it touches, it shows another support line. Once it shows another support line, you close the market. All right, from here now it touches a support line, then it started moving up. The super trend indicator also has changed the trend also. So if you buy from here, then your market has started moving up again. So if you buy this trade also, by now you should be in profit, though you are having a little drawdown here, but believe me, this market will still go up. All right, this market will still go up, and meanwhile your stop loss is here. So if you pick that first one and this one, you make money. Even though if you hit a small stop loss here, it won't be problem for you. All right, so that is just it, guys. Let's see, maybe we can still check another example again. It's like we've checked this one, another one, another one, another one, another one, another one, another one is this one. Okay, this one is not too cool. Yeah, it's not too cool. It's not too cool. This one is not too cool, but if you still pick the trade, you can still make a very small, a little profit. All right, you can still make a little profit. So I need something cool. Yeah, like this one. Yes, look at this one also. Look at this one. This one is another perfect example of what I was saying. So it touches the resistance line here, then you wait for it for the super trend to change the trend. Once the super trend change the trend, then look at, guys, you make a lot of profit from here also. You make a lot of profit for here also, guys. This is not just, I'm not just joking with this thing. You just need to just understand this. This is a very perfect strategy which I always use. Which I use always. Like, I use this trade, I use it to give signals. Some of the signals I post on my channel, this is how I got some of the signals I post on my channel. Believe me, guys, this is where I get some of the signals. All right, so I'm not just, this is not the only strategy I'm using. I'll still be sharing you more strategy and more indicators. That is why I tell you in the first place, just make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will be getting more things like this, more ideas, more strategies. You'll be getting a lot of things from me, from this channel. All right, so even for crash 500, we still have the same thing. Okay, I was using okay, let me close this and bring it back. So crash 500, I don't really like that. So this is what I do, make it color white. Yep, this is what I need. So 15 minutes, then down 1 2. Yeah, this is perfect. So now let's bring in our super trend indicator. One, the super trend indicator, we change this to 2. I will change this to 2, and let's bring our support and resistance screener. Then this, just click OK. Then let's wait for it, it will load. That's it. Where is our signal? Yeah, this is it. Sometimes we do have short trades, like this one. Now this is a short trade from here to here, is a very short trade. It picks another one from here, it's short trade. It picks another one from here to here. This one is just minor scrapping if you want to scrap. All right, and believe me, guys, this is a very long one. Like this one, you pick from here, you enter the trade from there. Let me show you this example before we go. Let me show you this example. Okay, you pick from, is it here? Yeah, it's changed direction, then you follow it. You place your sell signal here, then your stop loss, you put your stop loss around somewhere here, very close stop loss. All right, then you start coming down, no drawdown, just start coming down till here. Look at how much profit you've really made, guys. Just check the total profit you've made, guys. So this is not a joke, this is a very real, when I tell you it's a very real strategy, I mean it is a very real strategy. All right, so guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is where I'm gonna end this video. Meanwhile, you can also use this, and you can also use this strategy for volatility. You can use it for volatility 75, 50, 25, 110. All right, you can use it for volatilities. All right, so guys, this is where I'm gonna stop this video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel right now, because next I will be dropping another powerful strategy, and I will be giving out another powerful indicator or robots for you. So just stay tuned and just subscribe to my channel, to this YouTube channel. Do not, and make sure you join my Telegram channel. I'll put the link below. you join my Telegram channel. If there's any update, I will update you in the Telegram channel. So I'll put the link below. I'll put my Telegram channel link below in this in the description of this video. So join my Telegram channel. So I will see you next time, and the next time we'll talk about another powerful strategy and another powerful robots, trading robots. All right, so guys, we'll see you next time. Just make sure you subscribe to my channel. All right, so thank you, bye bye for now. All right.